Morning Year 8, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Here it is, lesson 7. Okay, today we're going to start comparing My Dragon and the Kraken, which is the two poems that we have looked at over the past 2 lessons. Okay, so first things first, reread My Dragon and the Kraken that we've looked at on page 6 of your booklets, and you should have got loads of annotations down. And I would like you to start thinking about what are the similarities and the differences between these two poems, okay? I would like a minimum of 3 similarities and 3 differences that you can come up with in the next 10 minutes, okay? So just pause the video, take 10 minutes, set an alarm or make a note of the time, 3 similarities and 3 differences, and we'll meet back here in a moment, okay? Okay, these are the ones that I came up with. You might have something similar or you might have something different. If you have something different, then just add these to your comparisons and you'll be well on your way. Okay, so similarities that I came up with were, they're both about fantastical creatures or monsters, okay? A difference might be that one is very humorous and light-hearted and the other has a very serious tone, okay? We talked about that lexis of sickness and sleeping and death, okay? Both poems use sibilants, but they have a different rhyme scheme. In My Dragon, something goes wrong, which is a similarity between the two. So in My Dragon, obviously the dragon is sick and he's tearing up the vet's office. And in the Kraken, he rises from the deep and wreaks havoc, and then he dies, okay? A difference is the form of the poems. First one is a children's nursery rhyme, and the second one is an irregular sonnet or has an irregular rhyme scheme, okay? Okay, so using what we have just discussed, hopefully you got those written down. If you didn't, just go skip back in the video, pause it and make sure you've got those notes down. And I would like you to fill in the last 2 rows on your booklet. So filling in the similarities and differences, looking across at those questions in that first column, making sure that you've read them really carefully. Look at what you've written in the next 2 columns for the fairies and the octopus. Is what you have written similar or is it different? Okay, this table is really going to help you next lesson when we come to write up our essay on these 2 poems, very similar to what we did last week. Okay, so hopefully that's fairly self-explanatory. It should just take you about 20 minutes now. We're really flying with this now. I feel really confident that a lot of you know what you're doing, know what the structure of these lessons are now, and perhaps some of you, when you've been looking at the poems, have already started to draw comparisons between the 2 and see how they might be similar or different. Okay, so just fill out that whole grid ready for tomorrow's lesson. Okay, once you have done that, once again, if you need any support, if you need anything from me, if you need, a booklet printing or anything like that, either email me or get in touch with the school office and we can help sort you out from there, okay? I look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow when we will start writing up our essay, okay? Very well done, speak soon, bye.